Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we are pleased to present our project title, which is Smart Compact Recycling Box. This project was developed by Group C, Section 4 for the course of BDA 40804. So, our presentation will cover the background of the problem, the proposed solution, and how our design supports sustainable waste management. First, let me introduce our group member. Our team consists of Afiq Izzuddin bin Sundusin, Ahmad Mukri bin Azmi, Muhammad Adam bin Cik Johar, Muhammad Nazrin bin Zamri, Muhammad Rafi Fikri bin Cik Noh. Each member contribute to different aspects of the project, including research, design, fabrication, and presentation. Next, this slide explains the background of our project. Recycling plays an important role in reducing environmental pollution and conserving natural resources. However, despite its importance, recycling practices are still inefficient in many places. One of the main issues is poor waste separation and limited bin capacity, which often leads to recyclable material being mixed or waste. To address this issue, the Smart Compact Recycling Box is proposed. It integrates waste separation and crushing into a single compact system, which help improve recycling efficiency and waste management.
Now, here is the introduction part. Project objectives. First of all, it is to incorporate a compacting mechanism to reduce the volume of aluminium waste. Secondly, it is about to create a compact, practical, and user-friendly design suitable for residential, educational, and public environments. And lastly, it is to promote environmental awareness and encourage better recycling practices among communities. Why is recycling crucial? It is about to reduce landfill waste, lowers the demand for new raw materials, and lessen the environmental footprint of production activities. Here are the categories of waste and recycling methods. Waste categories: plastic, which are bottles, bag, and packaging materials; metal, beverage cans and tin; paper, newspapers, magazine, and cardboard; organic, food scraps, and plant materials. Here are the recycling process, which includes collection, sorting, processing, and manufacturing.
So now I will present the main problem statements addressed in our project. Firstly, plastic bottles and aluminium cans take up a large amount of space when disposed of without compaction. This significantly reduces the effective capacity of recycling bins and causes them to fill up very quickly. Secondly, most existing recycling bins do not have a built-in mechanism to compact recyclable materials. As a result, bins tend to overflow frequently, leading to poor waste management, increased maintenance, and reduced recycling efficiency. Lastly, many current recycling bins are bulky, unattractive, and not user-friendly, especially for small spaces such as classrooms, offices, and public areas. This discourages proper recycling practices and limits their suitability for everyday environment. These issues highlight the need for a compact, practical, and user-friendly recycling bin with an integrated compaction mechanism to improve space efficiency and promote better recycling behavior.
Now I will explain the sustainability of our project, which can be divided into three parts: environmental, social, and economic. First is environmental sustainability. Our project helps reduce waste by compressing aluminum can and plastic bottles into a smaller size. This will reduce the amount of waste sent to the landfills and help to reduce environmental pollutions. By making recycling easier, our project also encourages better waste management and supports a clean environment. So next is the social sustainability. This project helps increase awareness about recycling in the community. When people use the compact box machine, they learn the importance of recycling and responsible waste disposal. The machine is also easy and safe to use, making it suitable for public places such as schools and community areas. Finally, the economic sustainability. By compressing can and bottles, storage and transportation costs are reduced. The machine is designed to be simple and durable, which means it requires low maintenance and low operating costs, this making it practical for a long-term use. Overall, our project supports sustainability by protecting the environment, educating the community, and reducing costs. It will help create a more sustainable and responsible future. Thank you.
Now, I will explain the design and CAD development of our project, the Smart Compact Recycling Box, relation to Chapter 5, Detail Design. According to Chapter 5, the detail design is the stage where all design decisions are finalized, including component configuration, sizing, and preparation for manufacturing. In our project, this process began with initial hand sketch, as shown on the left, to define the basic structure and working mechanism for compacting both cans and plastic bottles. So the design was then developed using CAD software, where we focus on configuration design, including the arrangement of the crushing mechanism, insertion area, and supporting frame. Component dimensions were carefully determined to ensure sufficient strength to withstand the compacting force while maintaining the structural stability. As part of the detailed design phase, engineering considerations such as user safety, enclosure design, and ease of assembly were incorporated into CAD model shown in the center. This aligns with Chapter 5, which emphasizes completing engineering drawing and refining the design before production. Finally, the design was finalized and into a fully enclosed external structure, as shown on the right. This final design improves safety, support manufacturability, and ensure the product meets the final product specification required in the design stage.
So now I will explain how this system works. This system uses a compact box mechanism. The main purpose of this mechanism is to compress aluminum cans and plastic bottles so they take up less space. So as you can see in the video, all the parts are placed inside a strong metal frame. The design is also compact, which means it does not take up much space and it was easy to use. So first, the aluminum can or plastic bottle is placed inside the box. When the system is turned on, the moving part inside the box starts to work. These parts apply pressure to the can or bottle and compress it into a smaller size. By compressing the cans and bottles, the system helps to reduce waste volume. This makes storage easier and helps during recycling and waste management. So this mechanism also helps to reduce manual effort. So users do not need to crush the cans or bottles by hand. The process is faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Another advantage for this mechanism is the safety, because everything happens inside the box in a controlled way. So overall, the compact box mechanism allows aluminum cans and plastic bottles to be compressed smoothly, safely, and effectively, which supports the success of this project. Thank you.